Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get started with Ledger. First, understand that a Ledger device is a hardware wallet, a physical device that keeps your private keys offline, offering superior security for your digital assets. This method significantly reduces the risk of online theft or hacking. You maintain complete ownership and control over your cryptocurrencies, moving beyond relying on third-party exchanges. We will cover everything from setup to best practices. Next, select the Ledger device that best suits your needs, such as the Nano S Plus for essential security or the Nano X for Bluetooth connectivity and more storage. Once you have your device, carefully unbox it and power it on. The very first step is to set a secure PIN code, typically between 4 and 8 digits, directly on the device itself. Remember this PIN, as it is crucial for accessing your wallet. Now, you will need to install the Ledger Live application on your computer or smartphone. This is the essential software interface for managing your assets. Once installed, connect your Ledger hardware wallet to the application using the provided USB cable. Ledger Live will then guide you through the initial setup process, which includes either initializing your device as new or restoring an existing wallet using your 24-word recovery phrase. Finally, securing your assets is paramount. The most critical step is to carefully write down your 24-word recovery phrase and store it in a safe, private, and offline location. Never share this phrase with anyone. Also, regularly update your device's firmware via Ledger Live to ensure optimal security. Always double-check all transaction details on your Ledger screen before confirming any send operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.